Welcome to Camp Helen State Park, Florida, a place where the emerald waves kiss sugar-white shores and something unnatural lingers in the sea breeze. It may look like paradise by day, but when the sun sets, legends awaken. Shadows move where no one walks. Old buildings creak without wind. And some say, a young woman in white still wanders the shore, searching for what was lost long ago. This isn't just a state park. It's one of Florida's most hauntingly beautiful mysteries. Today, we're uncovering the chilling ghost stories of Camp Helen, exploring its eerie ruins, and sharing the nearby attractions and hotels for those bold enough to visit. This is haunted travel at its finest. So, are you ready to walk the line between history and horror? Let's begin. Haunted travel, Camp Helen State Park, Florida. Number 1. The Ghost of Margaret Hicks. Our haunted journey begins with the park's most famous ghost, Margaret Hicks. In the early 1900s, this land belonged to the Hicks family, who operated a private lodge. One tragic night, Margaret, the daughter of the family, reportedly vanished near the edge of Lake Powell. Some say she drowned. Others believe something or someone else was involved. Decades later, visitors and rangers alike report seeing a young woman in a white dress walking the shoreline at dusk before fading into the mist. They say she's searching for her family, for peace, or for something she left behind. Number 2. Abandoned buildings and paranormal signs. One of the creepiest parts of Camp Helen is the remains of the Avondale Textile Mill Resort, which operated here in the mid-20th century. The mill used the property for vacation housing for employees, but the buildings now stand empty, windows dark, doors sealed, vines growing over cracked walls. Paranormal investigators have visited, reporting cold spots, orbs, disembodied voices, and unexplained motion detectors going off when no one was around. The most haunted building? Many say it's the old caretaker's cottage. Lights flicker on without power, and some have heard knocking from inside when the building is locked. Number 3. The Curse of Lake Powell. Lake Powell, Florida's largest coastal dune lake, is a beautiful and rare natural feature, but some locals believe it's cursed. Fishermen have told tales of boats capsizing on clear days, sudden wind shifts, and eerie sounds bubbling up from below. One legend says the lake is guarded by a spirit that punishes those who disrespect the land. Paddleboarders have reported feeling tugs from below in water barely waist deep. It's a stunning place by day, but at night, even the bravest park rangers don't linger by the shoreline. Number 4. Haunted hiking trails. Camp Helen's hiking trails wind through ancient dunes, salt marshes, and mossy oak forests. The perfect setting for a ghost story. Night hikers tell of phantom figures appearing on the path, especially near the old bridge that leads to the beach. Some claim to hear footsteps following them, only to turn around and find no one there. A popular story tells of a Civil War-era soldier seen wandering the forest, still carrying a lantern, confused and muttering, searching for a way home. These trails are peaceful, scenic, and just a little unsettling, especially as the sun goes down. Number 5. Spooky nearby attractions. While Camp Helen is the star, the surrounding area has plenty more for the curious and courageous traveler. Eden Garden State Park, just 30 minutes away, this historic estate features a 19th century mansion known for its own ghost sightings. The Watson family spirits are said to still walk its halls. Panama City Ghost Tours. For a guided fright, take a nighttime ghost tour in nearby Panama City. Hear tales of haunted hotels, tragic shipwrecks, and mysterious disappearances along the Gulf Coast. Shell Island. A short boat ride away, Shell Island is beautiful and wild. Locals say strange lights have been spotted hovering over the dunes at night, and some visitors claim to hear faint voices carried by the wind. Number 6. Where TOs stay. Haunted and historic lodging. Ready to spend the night? Here are some places to stay near Camp Helen if you're hoping to keep the ghost stories going. The Hotel de Funiac. Located about 45 minutes north, this 1920s hotel has vintage charm and vintage spirits. Staff have reported strange noises, lights turning on and off, and shadow figures in the hallway. The Pearl Hotel, Rosemary Beach, only a 10-minute drive from Camp Helen. This stylish beachfront hotel offers luxury and just a touch of the uncanny. Guests have shared experiences of sleep paralysis, cold drafts, and eerie dreams while staying here. Spooky coastal rentals. Check Airbnb or VRBO for coastal cottages near Lake Powell. Some come with old Florida charm, creaky floors, rocking chairs that move on their own, and tales from previous guests that'll keep you up at night. Number 7. Tips for ghost hunting travelers. If you're planning a haunted adventure to Camp Helen, keep these ghost hunting tips in mind. Bring a flashlight. The trails and ruins get dark quickly. Capture the moment. Set your phone to night mode to catch orbs or shadow anomalies. Use ghost hunting apps or simple recorders. Some visitors claim to have picked up EVPs, electronic voice phenomena. Respect the land. Many haunted areas are sacred to local tribes or historically significant. Be respectful. Number 8. Final thoughts. Nature meets the paranormal. Camp Helen State Park is more than just a beautiful escape. It's a place where history, nature, and the paranormal intersect. With its haunted legends, abandoned buildings, and eerie waterfront, it's the perfect destination for those who crave a different kind of adventure. One where the silence speaks and the shadows may be watching. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, Camp Helen will leave a mark. Are you brave enough to walk those trails at night? Or paddle Lake Powell under a full moon? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. More haunted destinations are coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and safe travels into the unknown.